Namaste student. Today I will discuss about physical methods of pest control. Use of certain physical forces to minimize the pest. First is a material called dry dye consists of highly porous fine divided silica gel which when applied avoided the insect cuticle thus causing loss of moisture resulting in death. It is mainly used against storage product pest. Then second is quinoline clay. After successive activation with acid and heat can be mixed with ground storage grain. The clay minerals absorb the liquid layer of the insect cuticle by which the insect lose their body moisture and die due to desiccation. Third is artificial heating and cooling of storage product will prevent insect damage. Usually, high temperatures are most effective than low temperature. Fourth is storage product can be exposed to 55 degrees centigrade for 3 hours to avoid storage products pest. And then fifth is stem sterilization of soil kills soil insects. Then six is vapor heat treatment. Heated air is saturated with water, relative humidity 90% for a specified period of 6 to 8 hours. For rising pulp temperature 43 to 44.5 degrees centigrade in case of mango against fruit fly. Then oxygen stress and carbon dioxide concentration in air, tight container, a small volume of air is enclosed. The available oxygen is quickly utilized by insects and rising concentration of carbon dioxide. The high concentration of carbon dioxide lead to death of storage uh, product insect. Then male insects can be made sterilized by exposing them to gamma radiation और by using chemicals. मेल को स्टेराइज कर देते हैं गामा रेडिएशन के द्वारा या अनदर केमिकल्स के द्वारा. When sterile males are released in normal population, उसके बाद में sterile मेल को रिलीज कर देते हैं नॉर्मल पॉपुलेशन में. They complete with normal males in copulation and that extent releasing capacity of the population are reduced by sterilizing the pupae of scurry worm, livestock pest. With radiation sterile males were obtained. They were released. कितना रिलीज करते हैं एट द रेट 400 पर स्क्वायर मील for 7 weeks. By this method, total eradication was achieved in southeast part of America and in Cuauco Island case of Casforum. Then light trap. Light trap is a very important to control the white graph. Then light trap are arranged for attracting the insects, which are trapped by keeping water or oil in a container or a killing bottle below the light trap. Light trap are useful for monitoring the population of important insect pests in an area. Example, most of the moth and beetle. Then flame thrower is a compressed air spray with kerosene oil for producing flame. These lens which is fitted with a burner. When the burner is heated, the kerosene oil is released and it turns into flames used for burning locust population, congregation of caterpillars, pest of weed, etc. Then this is a physical method of pest control. Then is very important is light trap, and another is what yellow trap. Yellow trap we use to control the aphids and white fly. Thank you.